Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2002 Porsche Turbo. Beautiful car, finished in black with a black interior. Factory aero package. Sunroof Delete. Just stunning. Carbon fiber sills. Ready to go. Leather, memory seats, carbon fiber shift knob and brake handle, carbon fiber and leather steering wheel. It's a 3-spoke wheel, as you can see. 16,002 miles. Heated seats. Bose stereo. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. Alcantara headliner. You can see there's no roof. Gives those tall guys a little more headroom. Doesn't look like anyone's ever sat in the back seat. Beautiful car. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399.